In question 7, we're given the masses of 8 cats. Now the word mass just lets you know how heavy something is. And we normally use it with the word weight, although strictly speaking, that's not correct. Mass is like matter, the things that you're made up of. But for everything that we do, so if you don't understand what mass is, think of it as weight, how heavy something is. Now we need to work out the difference, so let me write the word difference. Now the word difference is that minus sign or take away or subtract. Now we need to find out the difference between the heaviest kitten and the lightest kitten. And the heaviest kitten here is 410 grams. And the lightest is 275 grams here and 255 grams there. So this is the lightest kitten. So we need to take away 255 grams. So let's start. 0 take away 5 we can't do. So this 0 goes to its neighbour and borrows 1. So that 1 becomes a 0. Now the one we've borrowed turns that 0 into 10. So now it's 10 take away 5, which is 5. 0 take away 5 we can't do again. So this 0 goes over to its neighbour. We cross out the 4. That becomes a 3 and we borrow 1. So now this 0 becomes 10. So it's 10 take away 5, which is 5. And then finally 3 take away 2, which is 1. So the difference between the heaviest and the lightest kitten is 155 grams. Now in the second part of the question, we're asked to put these 8 kittens into the correct groups. Now they've done one for us. Between 400 and 449 grams, there's one kitten, and that's that one. So we can tick that one off. So let's start here. 305 grams. That will go between 300 and 349. So let me do a tally chart. 375. 375 is more than 350, but less than 399. So it'll go into this group. We can tick that off. 310 grams. 310 grams will go into this group because it's more than 300, but less than 349. Now we have one which is 255 grams. So 255 grams will go into the first group because it's more than 250 but less than 299. So let's tick that. Now we're on to the fifth kitten. 275 grams. 275 grams will be more than 250 but less than 299. Then we have 360 grams, and 360 grams is more than 350 but less than 399. And finally we have the eighth cat, which is 345 grams. 345 will not go into this group because 345 is less than 350. So we look at this group. So 345 grams is more than 300 but less than 349. So it'll go into this group. So that was my first step. Now these tally marks I have to turn into numbers. So I have 1, 2 there. I have 1, 2, 3 here. And I have 1, 2 here. Now I can do a quick check. If I total these up, I should get 8 because I started off with 8 cats. So 2 add 3 is 5, add 2 more is 7, add 1 is 8.